this is you before watching this video, and this is what comes next is you after you watch this video. So you clearly are a noob internet user who doesn't know anything about setting up their wireless network properly. If you have internet service from Bell, their routers normally use the default security to be WEP. This can be easily hacked by anyone who can follow clear instructions that are available everywhere, especially Russian hackers that look like this while they hack your networks and use all your bandwidth to download movies and video games. To overcome this problem, you can point your browser at 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 depending on the company that makes your router, and follow the menus to change your security from WEP to WPA. Here's an example of what this page will look like and where you can select this setting. Doing this will let you browse your computer safely and ensure that no terrorist attacks will be launched from your networks.
You blocked me on Facebook, and now you're going to die.
Our second scenario is about you hanging out at Laurier, and when you see a suspicious character sitting right in front of you, but you do nothing about it. Instead, what you do is you log into your favorite insecure network, which would be Laurier Wi-Fi. As you all may know, it is insecure, so everything transmitted on Laurier Wi-Fi is visible to everyone. You don't think twice about it. You log into Laurier Wi-Fi and think of checking your Facebook. So you open up your Facebook, refresh it a few times, check out the news feeds, and what do you notice what happens next? Your status gets updated, but you haven't updated it. Who could it be? And that's when you look across you and you see the smirk on the Russian hacker's face. He's probably using a very simple tool called Firesheep that allows him to hijack your session and post as you. This is a simple problem that can be solved very easily, and we'll show you how that can be done for all of your social networks. So on Facebook, you just go to the top right corner and click Account Settings. Then once the page loads, you go to Security on the left hand side, and then turn on Secure Browsing, and it's easy as that. And you won't have to put up with the Russian hacker ever again. In Twitter, it follows the same format basically. You go to the top right corner, click Settings once again, and once it loads, click Always Use HTTPS, ensure that it is checked, and then click Save Settings. In Gmail also provides this option. It should be selected by default, but just in case it isn't, you should verify that it is by going to the top right corner, hitting the wrench, hitting Settings, hitting Always Use HTTPS connection. That should solve all your problems and make the Russian hacker a really sad man.
Every day I'm shuffling.